This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Penny Klein. Ms. Clean and Tidy lived here. Extremely well cared for townhouse. Light and bright floor plan will surely please. Don't wait long. Primary bedroom has its own ensuite along with the large closet with 3 sets of clothes rods, custom shoe holder, and built-in dresser. The second bedroom is just down the hallway. The third bedroom can be accessed through the garage, making it an excellent private office as it has its own outside entrance. Possibilities are endless. The enclosed patio would make a great reading room or a Florida/plant room. Don't forget to look for the 2 sets of sliding doors behind the floor-to-ceiling window blinds. Seller is willing to leave the electric fireplace with an acceptable contract. The utility room is set up with the washer and dryer on one side and the HVAC and water heater on the other side. The fenced-in concrete backyard has just enough green grass for our furry 4-legged friends. Low maintenance at its finest. Area is low traffic as it's not on a through street. Assessor's square footage is smaller than true footprint. For more information